Summer's coming up, you want to make a burger but don't have a whole lot of time? Well, these frozen burgers are for you, or I think they're for you. What we've done is we've got all the, basically the ground chuck 80-20 style burgers, frozen burgers from Walmart, and we're gonna give them a test. We're gonna see how each one of these does. Some of them have nice packaging, some of them have really bougie, you don't even have to cut this, it just opens up nicely. Simple, extravagant, we'll see. We got these patties here. Last year, I didn't know how many people loved or used frozen burgers until last year. We did a patty versus fresh patty, we did frozen patty, and we did the pre-patty that you can get from the supermarket. And we were pretty impressed at how frozen burgers went. So why not do a test of all the frozen burgers that are available? Like I said, there's all kinds of variations of these. We just wanted ground chuck, 80-20, nothing else, nothing more, all right? Hey, without further ado, let's get over to the griddle, let's get them on there, let's get them cooked, and let's give them a try. Let's get going. All righty, we're getting started. Philly Gourmet. I'll put one of these suckers down. Griddle, we're on about a 400 degree, just as our little handy dandy temperature guide over here says. And basically all of these say the same thing. Basically put down, leave it alone, cook until done. What do we got here? Old Bubba burger. Here's old Bubba. I don't know what's up with the, you know, it's not like a circle. It looks like an arrowhead. That looks like an arrowhead. They all look like an arrowhead. The next is the Market Side 100% Angus. This would be like the Walmart brand, okay? Next is just the old Bag O burgers, okay? We have our test samples. Philly Gourmet, Bubba, Market Side, Walmart, and then Walmart Great Value. I mean, honestly, the Great Value, I would say, Jacob, what do you think? That like looks like the best burger out of all of these. The Bubba burger looks great, but the shape, what's up with the shape? Am I missing something? I don't know. And then these, I don't know, they don't look too hot. This one don't look too hot either. So I'd say right now, Bubba burger and this Great Value is looking pretty good. So they all said just put them on, leave them. Leave them be. We're not gonna season them yet. We are gonna season them all the same with, you know what, low heifer dust. That's right. Guys, we're at the 5 to 7 minute mark. And you can see there's a big difference in a lot of these. These right here don't look bad. They're looking better than what they were, but it's still kind of, I don't know, meek looking, all right? Bubba burgers, they're starting to fill out. It doesn't look like a arrowhead anymore, at least, but yeah, it still looks kind of different. Over here, I don't know if this is just marble content or what. Maybe it's a good thing, but could look a little bit better. But I'm more impressed with just a straight up Great Value brand at how it looks, how the shape has remained the same. We're gonna give them a little seasoning first. And y'all know what we do? A little bit of heifer dust. Season up. You gotta have a little bit of seasoning. We're gonna start here, over here at this Philly Gourmet. We're gonna start flipping, all right? Come on. There we go. Color could be a little bit better. This one cupped just a little bit. Bubba, go Bubba. Ooh, boy, those look good. Well, I like that color. Bubba's looking really good. Let's go with this, which one is this one? Market Side, that's right. All right, you ready, Market Side? Market Side don't look too bad. Okay, all right. All right, Market Side, I see you. Not bad. I would say that's number 1, number 2 so far. That ain't too bad either. I would say 1, 2, and 3. All right, I've got a close race here, guys. Philly Gourmet, I don't know, y'all. Now, I will say this quarter pound, a lot of these are third pound. That might be a difference, I don't know. Another 5 to 7 minutes on this side, and we will come right back. But I also want to note too about the grease, a lot of grease. These are supposed to be all like a ground chuck, like a 80-20. Quite a bit of grease, but we'll see. We're gonna put some cheese on these back ones. This is just another test that we're gonna do. Gotta have cheese because, you know, you're gonna do this, probably you're gonna put cheese on your cookout cheeseburgers, okay? Great Value. Put you right there. I'll put you right there. Okay. right there. Got old market side right here. Market side. That's a juicy burgers right there. Looks good. Not bad. Old Bubba. Bubba. Where Bubba? After this, we're gonna call Bubba. Bubba, come over here. Come on over here, Bubba. Philly Gourmet. Philly Gourmet kind of shrunk up just a little bit. Like it got into some cold water or something, you know what I'm saying? Let's talk about just general looks first, okay? We got our just great value. Not a bad, just simple burger, okay? Nice caramelization. Don't look too bad, don't look dry. This one right here probably could have benefited from a little bit more time, but that's okay. The market side actually looks really good. I would say that would probably be the winner right now. However, the Bubba Burger, I feel, looks the best. And then this Philly Gourmet looks like sausage patties to me. But hey, maybe the taste test proves differently. Cheese, cheese is wrapped around that because it kind of shrunk up a little bit. But I mean, just as far as look, visualize, Bubba Burger, then this market side, and then I would say this great value, and then the old Philly Gourmet. So now we just need to try these. We need to give it a try. I'm just going to give it just a try without a bun, okay, just to see what it's like, okay. That's juicy right there. That is juicy. Philly Gourmet, let's try it first. Okay. I'm gonna hold my thoughts till the end. Not bad. Gotta do some bougie stuff here. I learned this from the Andersons. I need some like lemon sorbet to cleanse my palate. All right, who's this? Bubba, old Bubba. Old Bubba, not bad, Bubba. Not bad. Okay. Old Bubba. Bubba does good. Bubba does good. What is this again? Market side. I should remember this by now. Cheers. Okay. Not bad too. Okay. Okay. Last but not least, old great value. Not bad either. All right, now this is where the rubber meets the road. What we've done is we have put some cheese on it, put it between a Martin's potato roll and some good old American cheese, a little bit of Duke's mayonnaise. Because this is what you're pretty much gonna do at a cookout. Philly Gourmet, you're up. Okay. All right, Bubba. All right, Bubba. Okay. Market side, you're up. All right, market side. Okay. Last but not least, old great value. Last but not least. All right. Now this is Hussey's unofficial, okay? Coming in. 4th place. Anybody know? Anybody know? Philly Gourmet. It's got a weird taste to it. I don't know what's going on. It's not like a rotten taste. It's just got a taste that I don't really prefer. And I don't know, just kind of off-putting. It's not bad, it's not really good either. Sorry, Philly Gourmet. 3rd place. This one's kind of tough. And it's kind of really close, really, really close. I'm gonna have to go with this market side. I don't know, it's good, it's not bad. I would, if I'm in a pinch, probably be just fine. second place. I know you're on the edge of your seats. The old Great Value. The old Great Value is pretty good. And I think it might be the cheapest. I actually pull the prices too. That'd be good too. We'll have Jacob put that on there. And then of course the winner, Bubba Burger. It tasted great. I don't know what it is. It's a little bit thicker patty. Now the Philly Gourmet is a 1/4 pound, I believe. So a little bit of a disadvantage. Everything else is third. But still, it just still had that flavor. But that Bubba Burger is really good considering it's a frozen burger. But hey, there you have it, y'all. That's my unofficial. After the bloopers, old Jacob might give his 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, check these bloopers out. True, comes straight on. Yeah. Oh, jeez Louise. That's what you was looking for, ain't it? Yeah. Look what you did, you jerk. So let's open this up. This is the way we'll open it up with this right here. We'll talk about the one we did last year. And then we'll start putting them on. Okay. Frozen burgers. Last year we did a video, patty, fresh.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the hell you mean?
Yeah, it was okay.
Jacob, that was good, man.
Oh, I'm getting hungry now.
Let's put this sucker between some buns. A little bit of Duke's mayonnaise. Okay. This is gonna take a while. I shouldn't have did this like this, should have. I can't remember which is which.
I think they're still the same.
Well, I mean like where I put here. Now that is a little bit, this is a 1/4 pound versus a third. So a little bit bigger.
Bubba's definitely number 1 for me. But I think number 2 for me would be my other side.
Oh.
I think this had a little bit more flavor than the beef burgers.
I was like really torn between these.